Unveiling the Mystery. The Meaning of Secretive Assembly. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, secretive assembly. If you've ever come across this expression and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the layers behind these words. Before we dive into the meaning of secretive assembly, let's break down the phrase into its two key components, secretive and assembly. Secretive refers to the characteristic of keeping things secret or hidden from others. It's about not disclosing information or being open about actions or intentions. Assembly, on the other hand, is a gathering or meeting of a group of people for a specific purpose. It could be formal or informal, large or small, but the essence is that it involves people coming together. When we combine these two words, we get a phrase that suggests a gathering that is not meant to be public knowledge, one that is held in a private or concealed manner. Understanding secretive assembly is best achieved by looking at how it's used in sentences and real-life scenarios. 1. In literature or news, the novel describes a secretive assembly of revolutionaries plotting to overthrow the government. Here, it implies a hidden gathering with a significant, possibly controversial, purpose. 2. In everyday conversation, they noticed a secretive assembly of employees in the break room, whispering about the new management policies. This example suggests a private meeting among coworkers, likely not sanctioned by higher-ups. 3. In historical contexts, historical records reveal a secretive assembly of scholars who met to discuss forbidden knowledge during the Renaissance. This usage highlights a clandestine group engaged in activities considered risky or taboo at the time. Understanding the phrase, secretive assembly, does more than just expand your vocabulary. It allows you to comprehend the nuances of English, especially in contexts where subtlety and nuance are key. Recognizing the connotations of such phrases can enhance your reading comprehension, listening skills, and overall ability to engage with the language on a deeper level. We hope this exploration of secretive assembly has illuminated its meaning and uses for you. English is a rich tapestry of expressions and idioms, and each one holds its own story and cultural significance. Remember, language learning is a journey. Every new phrase you understand adds another layer to your linguistic knowledge. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more mysteries of the English language together. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.